In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a poll into Activecampaign. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Activecampaign account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to find the reporting area for a specific email campaign, so you can review engagement and link performance. This is especially useful when your email includes a poll link, because the poll responses are typically captured through clicks on specific URLs. By checking which links were clicked most, you can quickly understand how people interacted with your poll. First, look at the left sidebar and find the Campaigns icon. It looks like a megaphone. Click that icon to open the Campaigns section. This area is where you manage and review email campaigns, including performance data after they have been sent. Next, choose Email Campaigns. This filters the view so you are looking specifically at your email campaign list rather than other campaign-related items. Give the page a moment to load if needed, especially if your account has many campaigns. Now locate the campaign you want to analyze and click the name of that campaign. Be sure you are selecting the exact campaign that contained your poll link. If your naming is similar across multiple sends, take an extra second to confirm you are opening the right one, because performance metrics are tied to each individual send. Once you are inside the campaign report, click the Engagement tab. This is where you can review key engagement metrics like opens and clicks. Opens can give you a sense of how many people saw the email, while clicks are the more important metric when you are measuring poll participation, since clicking is what takes someone to the poll. After that, click Links. This view breaks down performance by URL, so you can see how each specific link in your email performed. If your poll had multiple answer choices as separate links, this section is where you can compare them. Pay attention to the click counts and relative performance, and use this information to understand which option received the most engagement. That covers everything you need to know.